How to build a programming portfolio. Beginner level. Introduction. A programming portfolio is a collection of projects that demonstrate your programming skills. Instead of only listing skills on a resume, a portfolio allows employers or clients to see the actual work you have built. A strong programming portfolio helps developers showcase real coding ability, demonstrate problem-solving skills, stand out during job applications, build credibility as a developer. Many companies prefer candidates who have practical projects, even if they are beginners. What is a programming portfolio? A programming portfolio is a collection of coding projects that show your technical skills, your programming knowledge, your problem-solving ability. In simple words, programming portfolio equals proof of what you can build with code. A portfolio usually includes personal projects, open source contributions, GitHub repositories, live applications or demos. Why a programming portfolio is important. A portfolio helps employers evaluate your abilities beyond theory. Benefits include: check mark demonstrates practical programming skills. Check mark shows your coding style and structure. Check mark highlights creativity and problem solving. Check mark builds credibility even without work experience. For beginners, a portfolio can be more important than a resume. Step 1. Choose projects that show your skills. Start by building small but meaningful projects. Examples of beginner projects: to-do list application, calculator program, weather application using an API, personal blog website, simple chat application. Example: simple Python project. Name equals input. Enter your name. Quote, print, hello, name. Projects show how you apply programming knowledge in real situations. Step 2. Use GitHub to host your code. GitHub is the most common platform for hosting programming portfolios. A GitHub repository allows you to store project code, track changes, share your work publicly. Example: Git commands: git init, git add, git commit m, initial commit, git push. Your GitHub profile becomes a public portfolio of your coding work. Step 3. Write good project documentation. Every project should include a README file explaining what the project does, how to install or run the program, technologies used, features of the project. Example: README structure, project name, description, installation instructions, usage, technologies used. Clear documentation helps others understand your work easily. Step 4. Show live project demos. Whenever possible, provide live demonstrations of your projects. Examples: hosted websites, API endpoints, interactive web apps. A live demo allows employers to test the project directly. Step 5. Focus on quality over quantity. A strong portfolio does not require many projects. Instead, focus on checkmark clean code, checkmark well-structured projects, checkmark clear documentation, checkmark useful features. A few well-built projects are more impressive than many incomplete ones. Step 6. Include different types of projects. A good portfolio shows variety. Example categories: web applications, backend APIs, automation scripts, data analysis tools, mobile applications. This demonstrates your ability to work with different technologies and problems. Step 7. Improve projects over time. Programming portfolios should evolve as you learn new skills. Ways to improve projects: add new features, optimize performance, refactor code, improve user interface. Continuous improvement shows growth as a developer. Real-life analogy: a programming portfolio is similar to an artist's portfolio. Artists display their paintings to show their skills. Similarly, programmers display their projects and code to demonstrate their abilities. Employers can see what you have built, not just what you claim to know. Common mistakes when building a portfolio. Many beginners make mistakes such as cross-mark uploading incomplete projects, cross-mark copying tutorials without modification, cross-mark writing unclear documentation, cross-mark not updating projects over time. The best approach is check-mark build original projects, check-mark write clean and organized code, check-mark document projects clearly. Where programming portfolios are used. Programming portfolios are useful for software developer job applications, freelance programming work, open source contributions, startup collaborations, technical internships. Many recruiters check GitHub profiles before hiring developers. Simple definition. Programming portfolio. A collection of programming projects that demonstrate a developer's coding skills and experience. Final summary. A strong programming portfolio helps developers showcase their skills and stand out during job applications. Steps to build a portfolio include: create meaningful programming projects, host code on GitHub, write clear documentation, provide live demos when possible. Focus on quality projects. Continuously improve your work. A well-built portfolio shows employers what you can build with code, which is one of the most powerful ways to demonstrate programming ability.